Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing some things from the TikTok shop where we're going to be unboxing some things from the TikTok shop. Y'all, today my ultimate goal is to record. So when you get a bunch of videos and you see a girl, in this right here, just know it was all recorded on the same day. But anywho, if you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. I'm your girl T, and over here we do all things crafty, laser, sublimation, rhinestones, you name it, embroidery, we do it. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and welcome our new members. I welcome our new members, welcome our subscribers, welcome to the new subscribers. Anybody that is finding your way to this video, thank you. Please share out the video so that others can find me. It can help YouTube push this algorithm out. So y'all, let's go. Okay, so welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. All right, so the first item that we have from the TikTok shop, okay, now I will say this is ghettoly packaged, okay, on the outside. I'll say that much. I don't see that much, okay? Then we're gonna go ahead and drop that in the trash. And then inside, it just gives you like your, oh Lord. Wait, where am I? Okay, anyway, there it goes. So that's just your little order package form. Y'all, this, okay, hold on here, y'all. All right, so this is the microphone from the TikTok shop. We're going to be testing and reviewing this out. We are going to give our honest update, review, and opinion on it. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing we got from the TikTok shop, okay, is going to be, it comes with 2 mini ring lights and then the 62 or 65-inch tripod. Again, we are going to be giving our honest review and opinion of this product as well, okay? So just quick little products that we got from the TikTok shop. All right, so until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Catch y'all in the next one, okay, guys?